Did you know that healthy employees are more productive employees? It's true. When you feel your best, you do your best. That's the simple idea behind workplace wellness programs. These programs help employees live healthier lives. In this guide, we're going to dive deep into, into the world of workplace wellness. We'll explore what these programs are and how they work. We'll also look at real world examples of companies that are winning with wellness. Get ready to unlock a healthier, happier, and more productive workplace. Workplace wellness is about more than just physical health. It's a comprehensive approach that encompasses various aspects of an individual's life. It's about taking care of the whole person, ensuring that every facet of their well being is addressed. This includes mental, emotional, and even financial well being. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in an employee's overall health. Think about it. When you're stressed about money, it's hard to focus at work. Financial stress can lead to anxiety and decreased productivity. When you're feeling down or emotionally drained, it's hard to be productive. Emotional well being is just as important as physical health. Workplace wellness programs address these issues by providing necessary resources and support. These programs offer a variety of resources and support tailored to meet the diverse needs of employees. This might include gym memberships, healthy eating options, or stress management workshops. Some programs even offer financial planning services. The goal is to create a culture of well being in the workplace where employees feel supported and valued. This holistic approach not only benefits the employees, but also enhances overall productivity and job satisfaction. Bringing wellness to your workplace doesn't have to be complicated. It can start with small, simple steps that make a big difference over time. Start by asking your employees what they need. Open up a dialogue and encourage them to share their thoughts and ideas. What are their biggest health concerns? Are they worried about stress, physical health, or mental well being? What kind of support would be most helpful? Would they benefit from mental health resources, fitness programs, or nutritional guidance? Once you have a better understanding of your employees' needs, you can start to develop a program that meets those needs. Collaboration is key. This might involve partnering with local gyms, offering discounts or memberships to encourage physical activity. Bringing in healthy food options like fresh fruits and vegetables can make a big impact on overall health and energy levels. Or offering on site fitness classes can provide a convenient way for employees to stay active and relieve stress during the workday. Remember, every workplace is different. Tailor your wellness program to fit the unique needs and culture of your company. What works for one company might not work for another. Flexibility and customization are essential. The key is to find what works best for your employees and your company culture. Engage with your team, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve your wellness initiatives. Section 4: Real Life Wellness Success Stories. In this section, we will explore how various companies have successfully implemented wellness programs and the positive impact these initiatives have had on their employees and overall business performance. Many companies are already reaping the benefits of workplace wellness programs. Take, for example, Google. Known for its innovative approach to employee well being, Google has set a high standard in the corporate world. They offer on site fitness centers, healthy food options, and even nap pods. These amenities are designed to ensure that employees can maintain a healthy lifestyle while balancing their demanding work schedules. And the results, well, they speak for themselves. Google's comprehensive wellness program has led to significant improvements in employee satisfaction and retention rates. Google consistently ranks as one of the best companies to work for. Their commitment to employee wellness is a key factor in their high employee satisfaction scores and overall success. Another great example is Reebok. This company has also embraced the importance of employee wellness and has implemented several initiatives to support their staff. They offer their employees a generous discount on fitness gear and provide on site fitness classes. These perks encourage employees to stay active and healthy both in and out of the workplace. Reebok understands that healthy employees are happy employees. By investing in their staff's well being, they have created a positive and productive work environment. These are just a few examples of companies that are prioritizing employee well being. There are many other organizations that have recognized the value of wellness programs and are seeing similar benefits, and they're seeing amazing results in terms of employee morale, productivity, and overall health. By fostering a culture of wellness, these companies are not only improving the lives of their employees, but also enhancing their own business performance. Section 5. Your journey to a healthier workplace starts today. Investing in your employees' well being is investing in the success of your company. It's a win win situation for everyone involved. What steps can you take today to create a healthier, happier, and more productive workplace? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about workplace wellness.